not missed out on anything legally. आमी आता हायकोर्टान आदेश दिल्लो तो टॅक्सी आमी मीटर घातले. कितले जाण टॅक्सी मीटर यूज करता. Okay, but we are not going to stay like that only. We are now contemplating action in a different way, which will happen. Rent a cab taxis are also supposed to install speed governors. कोण install केला ते use करना आणि थोड्यांनी घालूंकूच ना. So this also I have asked to do a audit. तांकां stop करून in which under which ADT how many rent a cabs are there, how many are not having meter. We are going to take action. फुडारा कितें एक्शन जातले कशें जातले ते तुमकां पळोवपा मेळटले. बट एज यू नो दे कीप मुवींग हियर एंड देर, डोंट टेक एक्शन, दीस दॅट तें जाता. आय हॅव रिफ्यूज टू कम अंडर प्रेशर, बट आय वील टेक दोज स्टेप्स वीच दे वील बी कंपेल्ड टू पुट द स्पीड गव्हर्नन्स. बिकॉज कितें जालां सगळे रेंट अ कॅब घेवपाक सोदता कित्याक दे फील अदर टॅक्सी इज कॉस्टली. यू हॅव टू सायमल्टेनियसली another thing has to happen. We have to go on the app in a big way. That's why I'm saying app is a must. We have to go digital. That may take a little time, but we are going to take those steps where they will be compelled to go on the app.
Sir, actually, they will ban permits for new rent a cabs.
For your information, last more than 2 years, there is a complete ban on rent a cab. We have not given a single permission. There is a complete ban on rent a bike. We are not giving anybody permission. There is so much of pressure, at least for rent a bike, because some areas are not covered. Now we are studying which areas it is not there, which stand it is not there. Only there we may relax, but that is not sure. That's why I said first there has to be an audit, whether of taxis or whether it is of motorbike taxis, and then we will take a balanced view.
Rent a cabs, will there be any stringent SOPs in the future for these operators?
I have said it earlier, I will say it again. If there are more than one offense, serious offences where somebody dies or somebody is critically injured, we will not only impound the car and take action against the owner, but we will cancel the permit permanently.
Of the owner?
Of that car. Once there is no permit, they can't run it. No, there is no question of this subsidy for rent a cab. Question does not arise. They are private cars. They जाय तेन्ना ते भाड्या दिता, and it is a free market. Now the other taxi operators, they have been there for so many years. COVID was there. We gave them all the benefits at that point of time. But in future, we will make it incentivize protocol for those going on the app. It will be costlier to operate a taxi for them. Whether rates will remain the same, they will pay more charges to the government. They will pay more in terms of taxes if they are not on the app. If they are on the app, we will give them concession. That is what we are working on.